Hi everyone! Today we're diving into a super handy Excel formula that'll save you tons of time. We're talking about how to increase a number by a percentage. Whether you're updating prices, calculating growth, or just experimenting with numbers, this trick is one you'll use again and again. Let's get started. Here's the scenario. We have a list of original prices in column C and the percentages we want to increase them by in column D. Our goal is to calculate the new prices in column E. Sounds simple? It is. The formula is straightforward. To increase a number by a percentage, you multiply the original number by 1 plus the percentage. In Excel, you type equals C5 asterisk open parenthesis 1 plus D5 close parenthesis. Here's what's happening. C5 is our original price. D5 is the percentage increase. We add 1 to the percentage to get the multiplier, then multiply it by the original price. For example, if the original price is $70 and we're increasing it by 10%, the math works like this. Add 1 to 0.10, which is 1.10. Multiply 70 by 1.10, 1.10, and you get 77. So the new price is $77. Once we've entered the formula, all we need to do is copy it down for the rest of the prices. In Excel, you can do this by grabbing the little square at the bottom right corner of the cell and dragging it down. And that's it. All your new prices are calculated in seconds. What if you want to decrease a number instead? Easy. Just use a negative percentage. For example, let's say the percentage in D5 is negative 10%. That's minus 0.10 or negative 0.10. Here's how the formula works. Equals C5 asterisk open parenthesis 1 plus D5 close parenthesis. With minus 10%, the calculation looks like this. Add 1 to negative 0.10, which gives you 0.90. Multiply 70 by 0.90, and you get 63. So the new price is 63 inches. One last tip. In Excel, percentages are stored as decimals under the hood. For example, 10% is stored as 0.10, and 95% is stored as 0.95. To make your sheet more readable, select the cells with your percentages, then click the percentage button on the toolbar to format them as percentages. And that's it! You've learned how to increase and decrease numbers by percentages in Excel. Simple, efficient, and super practical. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this. See you next time.